We are on the second level, still flying through. Okay. Next time someone asks you, say cows can definitely fly. And he's killing people with his milk now. Okay. Definitely something so realistic. Oh no. That's a fail. We're back trying. Okay, no. I don't think I'm winning this. Oops, I failed again. Oh no. This is not right. Okay, you can't play this unsuccessful music for me. Because I'm trying to be successful here. Need a successful cow. Woohoo! That's a win! Look at that. How do you proceed? Whoa, it's hold on, wait, I'm trying to get there, okay? Whoa. I got attacked by this. You can't beat the cow, can you? Faster way. I've been doing this wrong all this whole time. Amazing. Amazing. That's great. This seems... Oh. Oops. I was trying, okay? I was trying. There you go. That's better. Wait, where am I trying to go? I'm here. That's amazing. Oh, no, I don't want to fall. Oh, great. Great. Ouch. I always forget the direction that I'm supposed to go in. Oh no, this is the wrong direction that I'm going in. Careful, little cow. Don't damage yourself. But you still want... Okay, that's faster. That's great. Oh, ouch, ouch. That's like a hit on my face. Let's go. Oh. Oh, the music gets a little haunted if you don't win. That's not what we want, right? We don't want haunted music, do we? We want so much milk! Woo! Now it's a stumpy cow. I lost my hat, eggshell. Oh no. I'm still trying to get the hang of this. Hold on. We have a winner cow. Oh no. So okay, it does run out of milk. That's what I was thinking. Infinite supply. Oh no way. No way. What if I all together just skip all of these? Okay, I don't know what this is, but I think I'm supposed to skip them. Okay. Keep going, little cow. Little Miss Cow. So many enemies you got over here, and now we are lost. Poor cow, look at it. It's like made of wool or something. Last try on this one, because we tried, but we did not succeed.